Are whales secretly manipulating these altcoins? And important information regarding Coinbase's new Layer 2 comes out. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. As a reminder, we'll be premiering our interview with an expert trader who got into Bitcoin early and has done very well, but has also done well trading in all types of markets, whether it's bull or bear. Here's a quick preview of what's to come.
We see a huge untested consolidation of over 20 billion contracts that will be liquidated if the price was to come back down here and test it.
You can find the link down below of the premiere going live tomorrow at 10 a.m. EST. Make sure you turn on your notifications for this one because you don't want to miss what he has to say about where the crypto markets are heading next. Today and tomorrow, we have Federal Chair Jerome Powell testifying in Congress, with Jerome saying today the Fed is prepared to speed up rate hikes if needed by the data, and that the ultimate level of interest rate hikes is likely going to be higher than previously expected. Previously, we were expecting a 25 basis point rate hike this month. However, it now seems more likely that it could be 50 basis points instead. Bored Ape Yacht Club parent company Yuga Labs closed its Twelvefold auction on Monday, launching the company's first Bitcoin-based NFT collection. The 300 edition generative art project, which opened its auction on Sunday, awarded NFTs to the top 288 successful bidders at the conclusion of the auction at 6 p.m. According to Twelvefold's website, Yuga Labs reserved 12 inscriptions for contributors, future donations, and philanthropic efforts. According to Yuga Labs, there were 3,246 total bidders, and the auction generated 735 Bitcoin, or about $16.5 million. The 288 NFTs minted will be inscribed onto Satoshis on the Bitcoin blockchain. One token sold for as high as 7.1 Bitcoin, or about $159,000, while the lowest accepted bid was 2.25 Bitcoin, or around $50,400. Yuga Labs specified that the collection will not have any future utility or interact with any other of its Ethereum-based projects. Michael Fig was the artist behind the 3D project. Fig said in a Twitter thread that the Twelvefold art was inspired by the relationship between time, mathematics, and the blockchain. Like crypto, the collection isn't so much linear, but cyclical, with 4 different color palettes progressing through winter, spring, summer, and autumn. It's a nod to being optimistic whether we're in a crypto winter or a DeFi summer. Amazon has forever reigned over the e-commerce realm, and the e-commerce giant has unveiled plans to launch its own NFT marketplace. The initial plan, which was unveiled in January, stated the marketplace was still in development. However, the exact details of when the marketplace will launch and who will be leading its initiative were not initially available. According to the latest data, the Amazon NFT marketplace is set to launch on April 24th. The new NFT marketplace will also focus on blockchain-based gaming for users where they can earn NFTs in return. The new platform will initially only be accessible to users in the US via its Amazon Digital Marketplace tab on the website. Other regions will gradually be able to access the marketplace soon. Sources say that Amazon shoppers would be able to purchase a fashion-oriented NFT tied to a pair of jeans and pay with a credit or debit card just as they would any other Amazon purchase. One way Amazon is considering to spread the word about its digital collectibles push is sending out an email blast to every US-based Prime customer. They can onboard millions of users without educating people about self-custody, without educating people about how to set up a MetaMask wallet, and sources likened Amazon's move to Starbucks' loyalty program with Polygon. Amazon currently has about 167 million Prime members in the USA alone. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has hinted that the firm's new Layer 2 blockchain network Base may be subjected to transaction monitoring and anti-money laundering measures at launch. In an interview with Joe Weisenthal on Bloomberg Radio on March 6, Armstrong acknowledged that the Base has some centralized components today, adding that it will be more decentralized over time. However, he then suggested that there will be transaction monitoring and AML requirements for users of the new Layer 2 network. He suggested that Coinbase will have responsibility in terms of transaction monitoring in the early days, adding, "I think that centralized actors are the ones that are probably going to have the most responsibility to avoid anti-money laundering issues and having transaction monitoring programs and things like that." Base is an Ethereum Layer 2 network that offers a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly way for users to build decentralized apps, according to Coinbase. It is being developed with the OP stack used by Optimism, which will enable high-speed transactions on Ethereum. Coinbase has yet to provide a mainnet launch date, but it's expected in Q2 2023. This raised the question of whether Base would also legally require Know Your Customer requirements, making it the first ever Layer 2 to do so. Coinbase hasn't confirmed or denied whether Base would be implementing KYC and AML measures, but people have commented saying, "Isn't it ironic that DeFi is heading towards being controlled by the entities that it was originally supposed to be battling?" It appears the bears are in play at a potential anticipation of further price dip for Matic. Traders believe the recent price pattern could lead to further bearish movement for the altcoin. The team announced it was reducing its staff count by 20%, adding that the spending was made on Polygon ecosystem projects. This brought concerns for the Matic community, which was otherwise bullish about the ecosystem development and new partnerships. The Polygon whale transfers come after a week of heavy losses for the cryptocurrency, making 12% losses compared to 7 days ago. A massive Matic bag worth about $15 million was transferred to Binance in likely anticipation of a further price dip, with Looks On-Chain sharing Matic whales sending millions of dollars of Matic to Binance in what we would assume to be an order to sell. So far, Matic hasn't seen a huge dump in price all at once, but it's a wonder if this is cause for concern for Polygon in the short term. Our partners at Illivium have just launched their latest game, Illivium Beyond. Illivium Beyond is a digital collectible game that features your very own hand-drawn, customizable Illuvatars. You can customize your Illuvatar with accessories for a unique look, and you can fill out your Illuvatar album, climb the leaderboard, and earn prizes. Illuvatars are creative, hand-drawn versions of Illuvials that exist beyond the Illivium universe. Illuvatars have distinct expressions, backgrounds, accessories, and finishes that differ in rarity and determine their power rating. Illuvatars and accessories are sold in two types of discs, Standard and Mega, with the latter containing a guaranteed rare Illuvatar. You can load your disc immediately, save it, trade it, or sell it. Illuvatars are sold in waves, with ultra-rare, highly sought-after alphas kicking off each wave in a time-limited sale. You can permanently bond accessories to your Illuvatar to boost its power rating with 5 slots: skin, body, eyes, head, and props. You can climb the leaderboard by stacking album points and ranking up from bronze to diamond to earn exclusive borders for your Illuvatars. Check out our Gleam link down below to enter the Illivium Beyond disc sweepstakes and get a chance to win discs containing Illuvatars and accessories. Entries close on March 13th at 9 a.m. PST. Access Protocol was just up 240% in the last 24 hours. Access Protocol offers a new way for digital media publications and content creators to monetize their work. Instead of traditional subscription payments, users stake the ACS token to receive access to premium digital content. The reason for its massive pump amid the crypto market downturn could be its new listing on South Korean exchange Upbit for its KRW and BTC pairs. There are also rumors of a potential Binance listing coming up for it, as well as rumors that whales are pumping and dumping the token, causing huge price spikes and therefore more attention to the token. While it's hard to say exactly what's happening, we are still doing research into whether it's an investable opportunity or not, so stay tuned. Tron has just announced its latest partnership with the Commonwealth of Dominica to usher in a new era of Web 3.0. Tron will be developing the first Carribean digital identity initiative, which includes the establishment of the Dominica Metaverse, as well as the operation of the Dominica Digital Identity and Dominica Coin programs. This partnership recognizes the potential for Dominica to lead the way in this groundbreaking technology that will transform everyday life and revolutionize business in the coming years. With digital identity being a key component of Web 3.0, Tron will oversee, execute, and facilitate the issuance of the Dominica Digital ID and the Dominica Coin. Tron has also achieved a major milestone by reaching 5 billion transactions on its network. This milestone is a significant achievement for Tron, demonstrating the platform's growing popularity and adoption. That's it for our Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.